Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you are encountering error code 0x80240017 on Windows 11, it typically means an update package is not applicable to your system, or your core update components are out of sync. I will show you how to reset these update services and resolve this installation failure right now. Let's get started. First, Windows 11 includes a built-in diagnostic utility that can automatically identify and resolve common update misconfigurations. Open your Windows settings, stay on the System tab, and scroll down to select the Troubleshoot option. Click on Other Troubleshooters and locate Windows Update in the top section of the tool list. Click the Run button next to it and allow the wizard to automatically detect and apply system fixes. Next, clearing the downloaded update cache forces Windows to completely bypass old files and fetch fresh data. Open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type net stop WUAUSI and press Enter to temporarily halt the background Windows Update service. Navigate to C:\Windows\software distribution in File Explorer, delete all contents, and restart the service using net start WUAUSI. Finally, underlying file corruption can frequently block necessary prerequisite updates from successfully initializing or installing. Return to your elevated command prompt window to run the system deployment and core repair tools. Type SFC/scan now and press Enter to thoroughly verify and automatically replace any damaged protected system files. Once that completes, type DISM/online/cleanup-image//restore health to ensure your Windows system image is completely repaired. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.